Welcome to IntelliPath. I'm your course advisor and will give you an overview of this course. This is Hadoop All-in-One plus R Combo Pack. Here is the course summary. This Hadoop All-in-One plus R Combo Pack training course is delivered through interactive self-paced e-learning video tutorials, and this course is designed to clear Cloudera Certified Administrator for Apache Hadoop, which is known as CCAH, and a Cloudera Certified Developer for Apache Hadoop, which is known as CCDH. Course duration is for 99 hours and hands-on exercise and project work is for 99 hours as well. You will get lifetime access to video tutorials and course material. Recommended audience: professionals aspiring to make a career in big data analytics using Hadoop framework, Java developers, architects, BI, ETL and DW professionals, or SAS professionals and architects, project managers, mainframe professionals or architects or testing professionals, graduates aiming to build a career in big data. Prerequisites: it is not mandatory to have Hadoop knowledge, but it would help to learn better. Minimal knowledge of Java basics are required. Now I will take you to the website. Once you click on About Course, there are sample videos you can click to watch. And here is the course curriculum, starting with Hadoop. Module 1 is Introduction to Hadoop and its ecosystem, MapReduce and HDFS. Module number 2 is Hands-on exercises. Module number 3 is Deep Dive in MapReduce and Yarn. Module 3.1 is Hands-on exercise end-to-end POC using Yarn or Hadoop 2. And the project number 2 is Hands-on exercise end-to-end POC using Yarn or Hadoop 2.0. Module number 4 is Deep Dive in Pig. Module 5 is Deep Dive in Hive. Module 6 is Introduction to HBase Architecture. Module 7 is Hadoop Cluster Setup and Running MapReduce Jobs. Module 8 is Major Project, Putting it all together and connecting dots. Module 9 Advanced MapReduce. Module 10 Impala. Module 11 ETL Connectivity with Hadoop Ecosystem. Module 12 Hadoop Cluster Configuration. Module 13 Hadoop Administration and Maintenance. Module 14 Hadoop Monitoring and Troubleshooting. Module 15 Job Scheduling. Module 16 Hadoop Multi-Node Cluster Setup and Running MapReduce Jobs on Amazon EC2. Module 17 High Availability Federation, Yarn and Security. Module 18 Advanced UZI. Module 19 Advanced Flume. Module 20 Advanced Who. Advanced Hue. Module 21 Advanced Impala. Module 22 Advanced Zookeeper. Module 23 Job and Certification Support. Now I'll give you a brief introduction about R. Module 1 is Introduction. Module 2 is Data Structures Variables. Module 3 Control Flow. Module 4 Functions. Module 5 Getting Data into the R environment. Module 6 Overview of Statistics in R. Module 7 Descriptive Statistics. Module 8 Inferential Statistics. Module 9 Linear Regression. Module 10 Other Topics. Module 11 Object Oriented R. Module 12 Installing Packages. Module 13 More about Graphics. Module 14 Sophisticated Graphics in R. Module 15 R for Mapping and GIS. Module 16 Integrating R with Hadoop. Now let me tell you about the major differences between self-paced courses and online training instructor LED courses. So point number one is students learn via video tutorials which can be played multiple times in self-paced courses, whereas in online, students learn in a virtual classroom from a trainer. The next point, in self-paced courses, learners choose their own study time, whereas in online training, course follows a set timetable and duration where learners can log in at the allocated time only. Next point is, in the self-paced courses, you'll get 24/7 support for queries and doubts clearance over email. In case your queries or problems are not resolved, we can arrange a session with the trainer if required. Whereas in an online, queries are addressed only in the live session. Next point is, the self-paced training is very affordable. This is 75% cheaper than online instructor-led courses. Whereas it's self-explanatory, online training is costlier than self-paced. The next point is, you'll get lifetime access in self-paced courses to video tutorials with free upgrade to latest topics, whereas in online you'll get free upgrade to latest version is only through videos. The next very important point is why Intellipaat, why you should choose us. All of our trainers are subject matter experts carrying 18+ years of experience in the industry. 70% of course content comprises of lab exercises, project work and assignments. There is a quiz at the end of the course to prepare you for certification. Participants would be able to complete certifications for the respective technology and can work independently in the industry. Now let me tell you how does the support works. You face an issue, you submit a ticket. There is a support team 24/7 available. They'll troubleshoot your issue and fix it, and they'll send you an email confirming that it has been resolved. 95% of our cases are resolved and customers are satisfied. In case your issue is still not resolved, we can arrange an online session with the trainer. We have very important service which is called job assistance. So Intellipaat enjoys a strong relationship with IT MNCs in India and abroad. We have 40+ clients across the globe, includes US, UK, Canada, and we will help you to build your resume and forward your profiles to them for job assistance and better career opportunities. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any queries, please drop us an email on sales@intellipaat.com. Thank you.